I don't know. Where is swapped? And today I want a lecture of kanji. Whew, finally, you like kanji? It's complex to write or read, right? To learn Japanese or travel Japan or China. I want to show you first kanji is called ame, means rain. Deep understanding I help you. I prepared the image. Is from cloud, lightning, rain. Sorry, ame. Thank you. Where's the papers? Where's the paper? Like Japanese tend to waste a lot of papers and recyclable things. Come on! I'm happy to everybody protect the environment. Next, Hagane. You know Hagane no Rankin Jutsushi. Probably they call it Full Metal Alchemist. So Hagane is the part of metal. This one, Hagane! Oh! I just wish the Hagane as well. Help you understand deeply Hagane. This one. The part of Hagane. This part is this one. Gold. This one is to cover gold and pile, like song to pray for God of Earth. Very a long time ago, some people pray for God with song. Where gold is from is that mountains. That's it. Yeah, I just came up with the idea. I'm gonna tell you number how to call it in Japanese. In English, 1 is in Japanese ichi, and also as you can see, this is ichi. And how about 2? 2 is like this. 2. And how about 3? Is just plus 1. Right? What about 4? You think just plus 1 better like this? That's complexity, right? And 5? Okay, that's it. Kanji is difficult. I have an idea. Here we go. Sometimes we can express kanji with bodies. I'm Netero. Chairman Netero. He says sometimes, ah! The fingers expressing 9-9. You know? Pretty sure like this, right? And then behind you, a god shows up. And then and then next, I'm gonna tell you life in kanji. Life like a thread is like a inochi means life. We graduated like that, right? Like an American university. It's the time to finish or master kanji. And also, if you're interested in kanji, I can post a lot of kanjis on Instagram or YouTube, if possible. Something you wanna know, I can give you some knowledge about whatever Japanese. Whatever. Let's practice everything or enjoy Japan. Yeah, if you like tattooing with kanji, right? Sometimes I feel like that's strange when I see somebody putting on tattoo, because it doesn't make sense. So if you're thinking about tattooing, I can give you an advice about kanji. What is cool? Sorry, I was just a cat, right? Sometimes a dog. Which do you prefer, dog and cat? Doesn't matter. And then, yeah, that's it. My video. Thank you for watching kanji lecture. Ah, is mouth. Kuchi. Ah, 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 as you can see. Ah. The dog.